may I have an iced grande pumpkin spice latte, decaf on that with coconut milk, 1 pump of vanilla, and light ice, please. I wait all year for this. So good. I had to grab Jason a drink too. He gets an iced venti white mocha with only 2 shots of espresso and some pumpkin cold foam with cinnamon dulce on top, light ice, oat milk. His drink is very elaborate for a 20-year-old boy. It reminds me of a high school girl. This is the outfit of the day. I'm so excited about these new shorts that I got from Abercrombie. I'll have the whole outfit listed in the description below. These are a 10, I believe. They're nice and loose on me. I am a size 8, but I love the way that these fit better, nice and relaxed, especially on the thigh area. I love the pleating because it adds a little bit of room when you sit down. It's not like tight around your little poochie area. You know how that can be. This sweater is from Mango. It's a nice transitional piece for fall. Of course, the weather right now is still super hot, but I will be doing a video pretty soon that's a summer to fall transition wardrobe. Some outfit ideas, things like that. This is really lightweight and nice, so love that. And then I have my little mules that I got from Marshall's. What brand are these? Rachel Zoe. They have that nice comfort padding inside. I love these. I told myself specifically not to forget my pumpkin spice drink from Starbucks, and that's exactly what I did. I forgot it. Ugh. Have you guys been loving pumpkin spice, the pumpkin chai, or the new ones that came out? Oh, I have such a craving. Anyway, I have some very exciting products to show you guys. I'm sure you noticed I've been doing the curly hair thing lately. I am on a natural hair journey again. I do this all the time because I want healthy, you know, bouncy, shiny hair. And when you straighten your hair all the time, the heat damage and the split ends and I don't know, I love a straight chic bob. I think it looks great on me, but the curly hair is true to my nature. I'm trying to embrace it more and I don't know. Okay, the products, you guys. This skincare, the whole line is squalene infused, has amino aloe. It's a gentle cleanser. It smells like you're at the spa. It's so gentle, it's so hydrating. I have oily skin, but this is for all skin types. I got the squalene probiotic gel moisturizer. Gel moisturizers are great for oily skin, right? I got the copper peptide rapid plumping serum, like a hyaluronic acid type thing. This skin is glowing with these products, glowing. My absolute favorite product out of their entire line is also the most expensive for good reason. It's the retinol night serum. The YouTube channel Doctorly recommended this. I think it was Dr. Shaw. I've never looked back. I loved it. I tried another product, loved it, so that's why I bought the whole line. And then there's the vitamin C rose oil that has that slight rose scent to it. It's incredible. It feels amazing. My skin looks amazing. I use that in the morning time, and then an eye cream. I had a pair of jeans over here. I don't wear jeans very often because it's annoying. It's hard to find jeans for myself, but Abercrombie never disappoints. This is the mom jean. I'm a 30-inch waist, so this is a size 10 and I get a short. I love the wash. The wash is so good, and the mom jean just lays on my body exactly as it should. Maybe it's because I'm a mom, I don't know, but it makes the butt look incredible. It fits perfectly around the ankle, but I love this little rip detail. When you buy Abercrombie anything, they have petite or short, extra long, regular long. They have all these different sizes so that it fits you perfectly. So I'm never disappointed. I am gonna wear those jeans this entire fall season with my sweaters and with different boots. I'm so excited. Do you want to talk a little bit about curly or wavy hair products? For those of you who have straight hair, this portion of the video is not for you, but it's gonna go by real quick. This is the pattern comb. I use this in the shower. When I condition my hair, I brush it through. It has a little hole there so that I can put it on the hook in the shower. The hook I got from Amazon, of course. Amazing. The Denman brush. Any curly hair girl knows this is the one to use. The Cricut. I love this Cricut pick. Gives the volume. It's friction free. Amazon. The hair dryer. I like that it's lightweight. It has several different parts to it, but you just like that, so it makes it easy. This is the only attachment that I use. It gives me all the volume, and my day one hair just looks spectacular. Love this. If I could only have 2 curly hair products and nothing else, I would use the Curls for Days Moisture Rich Curl Cream. Defines, hydrates, holds. This is great. This is a new product for me. It looks like a lotion. It's like thick like that. It doesn't weigh down your hair, and the curls are bouncy. It's weightless, so you get the most volume. And then to create a little bit of a cast while I'm diffusing, I use the Diva Curl gel. When you're done diffusing your hair and it's fully dry, a great way to fluff it is to scrunch it, but you need to put a little bit of oil on your hand so that it doesn't cause friction. Doesn't make it frizzy, right? So I picked this one up. It's blackberry coconut oil. Smells really, really nice, adds shine, and it's perfect for fluffing the hair. Fluff it up. And the last 3 products, Curl Jelly. Curly girl videos that I have been watching, a lot of them recommend this product. When I'm done with the Diva Curl, I'm just gonna use the Curl Jelly. And then Curlsmith. I've just been introduced to this line, loving it so far. I didn't know that curls needed protein treatments. Anyway, this has protein in it, and it also strengthens your hair. It's a heat protectant. And then I use the full body thickening lotion as well. Just spray it, put it in your hair while it's damp, and that's it. That's what I've been using. That's what's giving me the curls. I hate second day curls. Usually the second day I just put it in a bun, and then the short hair in the back, I twist it to a French twist and then bobby pin it. So I got a French twist in the back and then like a bun on the top. That's what I've been doing. Hi, Max. Let's go get some fall candles. September. Ah! All right, I'm back home and I got completely changed. I redid my hair. I put on some giant earrings and a necklace because I wanted to put this hoodie on, and when I wear hoodies, I like to wear chunkier pieces to like dress it up. So this is the hoodie that I just bought, and I put the nail polish on, the one that I just bought here, and it's kind of like it's coming off red on camera, but it's really like a burnt orange. It's very pumpkin spicy, so I love that. And then I put my hair in like a pineapple and I hairsprayed it for an hour or so, and then I let it down and it gave me all this volume. Exactly what I needed. I re-wet it too in the front. Anyway, so this hoodie, it has the micro fleece, so it's super soft. This was $30, so if you love it, you can run to Target and get it. So it's really long. This is a small. Let me zip it up a little bit. This is how it actually fits. It's quite long. I just like to wear it off the shoulder, so I unzip and like make it fit a little different like that. That is my preference. guys could smell this right now, it is next level. It looks so good. I just cut up some French bread. I've never made a vegan dip before. So excited. It smells garlicky and cheesy, everything that you would want in a dip. I think this would be really good with chicken if you wanted to have a side. Or maybe just bake your chicken and put this on top. Oh. Of course, I'll have the recipe linked below. Do not skip on the red pepper flakes. It gives it that something extra. I got a couple of fall hand soaps from Marshall's. I'm not gonna put them out just yet. I just wanted to grab them before the good ones sell out. I picked up Autumn Woods from the Mia & Co brand. This is Sand and Fog Golden Nutmeg. And I got a couple of hand towels while I was there. Just some white pumpkins and black pumpkins. Okay, so I let Chris smell all these candles that I just picked up, and his favorite was my favorite as well, the Rustic Palo Santo with notes of amyris, clove, vetiver, and incense. I love fall candles that aren't super sweet. They just have that nice autumn, smoky, like fireplace incense type of vibe to it. And this one is really good. I feel like it has a nice balance. And you guys saw the other ones that I got, but the only sweet one that I got was the warm cider and cinnamon. I think I'm gonna burn this one just a little bit. I'm so excited for fall. I can't wait to decorate. I'm doing something a little different this year, so I can't wait to show you guys. Chris is off today, so I think we're gonna go bowling. I'm gonna grab the kids. I feel so much cuter now that I've fixed my hair up and I have like jewelry and I refreshed my lipstick. I don't know, I feel like I can go out feeling pretty. I wasn't feeling very good earlier. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I have some fun recipes I'm gonna be sharing in the next video that are very healthy, of course. We're eating a lot more fruits and vegetables these days. Have an awesome rest of your guys' day. I will see you in the next one. And until next time, bye for now.